अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will show you crochet table runners ideas. So viewers, let's start. Today video. Friends, we will explore some beautiful crochet table runner ideas. The crochet table runner is a simple but elegant decoration for your table. It can make a dining tables, coffee table, or side tables look warm and stylish. Many people love crochet table runners because they are handmade and timeless. You can use different yarn colors, patterns, and design to create a runner that match your home decoration. What is a crochet table runner? Friends, a crochet table runner is a long decorative piece made with yarn and a crochet hook. It is usually placed in the center of a table. Some runners are simple and modern, while others have beautiful lace pattern. Crochet runners can be made from dining tables, coffee table, kitchen tables, special events, and holidays. They add beauty and texture to the tables. Materials needed to make a crochet table runners. You will need crochet yarn, cotton yarn, work-based crochet hook, seasoned yarn needles. Cotton yarn is popular because it is strong, soft, and easy to wash. Lights color like white, cream, and begin creating a classic look. Bright color make the runner look fun and modern. Simple crochet table runners. The first idea is a simple crochet table runners. The design use base stitch like chain stitch, double crochet, single crochet, and it is perfect for beginners, weavers, and you can treat it straight, raw, and make a neat rectangle runners. These simple designs look beautiful on modern tables. Lace crochet table runners. Another popular style is the lace crochet table runners. Lace patterns are delicate and elegant. Friends, and friends, delicate and elegant. They often include open space, flower patterns, decorative ideas. This type of furniture look very beautiful on wooden